Welcome to the Woodshop stop. Today I'm going to be testing out some new plug cutters that I've gotten. I ordered some off of Amazon. They're a Rocarius brand. I've never heard of the brand before, but I've got an 8-piece set of plug cutters. I've got 1/4 inch, 3/8, 1/2 inch, and 5/16 plug cutters in both the straight cutting tool and the tapered cutting tool. And we're going to see how they work and how they compare to each other. Here are the two tools. This is your tapered cutter, and this is your straight cutter. And these are both 1/2 inch. So we'll see what the difference is and how well we like one or the other. So stay tuned. Let's get crack-a-lackin'. Here is the older one that I ordered. It's you can see it's kind of burned up on the end there, but this one is a round shank, and I compare the two. There you have the two side by side. Both of these are 3/8, but they're very similar, other than the round shank and the hex shank. Let's see how it goes. Nice little plug out of pine. Pine isn't the issue though. We're going to try the straight cut plug cutter first. This is the Rocarius brand plug cutter, and I'm comparing it to what I had before. Let's see. It's already in. We're using walnut. Okay, interesting. Now, my problem with the old cutter that I had, the reason I bought these was it was not cutting, and I was getting a tremendous amount of smoke. Well, the smoke's not the main thing. The main thing is cutting. These, if you noticed, I was getting a little bit of smoke, but it continued to make the cut. It made a pretty decent cut. Let's see if we can pop them out and see how good the finish is on them and how true they are. Sometimes if the cutter's too dull, not only will it smoke and not cut as good, but you'll get a kind of a odd shaped plug, and it won't be real cylindrical. And you want these to be cylindrical. See if we can get that out of there. Get a couple of them out. Those fibers are hanging on. Okay, got a couple out. As you can see, I got quite a good depth on that, and you can see that it's got a nice smooth finish. So, and it looks like it's fairly round. I mean, it looks really round. The same with this one here. This one doesn't look like it's got as much burnishing on it, so it cut a little cleaner, and it's nice and round. But both of these plugs are good, so I'd say it did a good job with the plug cutting the plugs, and I'm real happy with that. Now we're going to switch this one out, and we're going to try the tapered plug cutter to see if there's a difference. I've never used the tapered plug cutter. I've seen them online before, So this will be a new experience for me as well. Okay, now let's try the tapered cutter. This is a 1/2 inch diameter plug cutter, so it's a little more robust. So let's see how it does. And this is walnut. I'm making walnut plugs. You can see the old plug cutter that I had, how that did so much burning on this walnut, the hardwood. I haven't experienced any of that yet with these new cutters. Let's see how it works out. Very nice, very nice. I'm real pleased with that. Look at that. Let's pop those babies out of there. And that's what you get. That looks like it's pretty darn good, I would say. Makes a nice clean cut, no burning. This is a better quality plug cutter. And I don't know that I paid that much more for a set of 8. But I got 8, and I've got 2 different types. I've got your standard straight cut and the tapered cut plug cutters, and these are much better. So I hope this may have answered some questions for those of you who are using hole or plug cutters, and if you're having any trouble with them or problems with the plug cutters, and if you're like me, you're getting a ton of smoke because the plug cutter was dull. It was probably just an inferior brand and just cheaply made or manufactured, and these are much better. Well, thanks for watching the video. I really appreciate all the subscribers, and if you'd hit the like button, that would be greatly appreciated as well. The bell notification lets you know the next time that I'll have a video to come online, and you can watch that as well. Check out the videos at the end of this video if you like this content. Thanks again from Roger at the Woodshop stop.